How to enable Face ID on MEXC using iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable Face ID on MEXC. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're in the home page of MEXC, go to the top left corner and tap on your human icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Security. Under Security, scroll down and you'll see the Face ID button. Toggle on the button right next to Face ID and click on Allow. Now your iOS device will scan your Face ID and your Face ID will be turned on MEXC application. Now, whenever you log out of your application and try logging back in, you should now see the Face ID prompt, letting you log in quickly without typing your password. Now that the Face ID is enabled for your MEXC app, enjoy fast and secure logins every time you open the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.